Understanding Earth-Friendly, a guide to eco-conscious living. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a very relevant and meaningful phrase, Earth-Friendly. This term is not just about language, but also about our planet and how we can live in a way that protects and respects it. So, let's dive in and understand what being Earth-friendly really means. Earth-friendly is a term used to describe actions, products, or practices that are not harmful to the environment. This means that they don't cause pollution, deplete natural resources, or damage ecosystems. Being Earth-friendly is about making choices that are beneficial, or at least not harmful, to the natural world. It's a commitment to living in harmony with the environment. To understand Earth-friendly better, let's look at some examples. Recycling, separating your waste so that materials like paper, glass, and plastic can be reused. Conserving water, using less water and avoiding waste, like turning off the tap while brushing your teeth. Using renewable energy, opting for energy sources like solar or wind power instead of fossil fuels. Supporting sustainable brands, choosing products from companies that prioritize environmental sustainability. Being Earth-friendly is crucial for several reasons. Protecting wildlife, preserving natural habitats for animals and plants. Combating climate change, reducing greenhouse gas emissions to slow down global warming. Conserving resources, making sure we have enough natural resources for future generations. Improving health, cleaner air and water lead to better health for all living beings. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of being Earth-friendly. It's a phrase that encompasses a wide range of actions, all aimed at protecting our beautiful planet. Remember, every small step towards being more Earth-friendly makes a big difference. Thank you for watching, and let's keep learning and growing together.